super cool to be all, like, vague and whatever, you know, and stuff. But this is, like, really, bro, I'm not, liking anymore. I was going to write a full-blown, whole-arsed review of the Domino's Pizza, Truett's and Son newspaper pimping Snapperazzi game for the Amiga, so began by closely studying the instruction manual. I couldn't help noticing that the acronym NTT is referenced 18 frigging times without explaining even just once what the flumping heck it means. I'm going to assume it stands for not touching that.